Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js version 18 on Windows. First, I'm going to go to Google and type download Node.js. I'm going to go to the official Node.js site, and here I'm going to choose the installation package, and for Windows, it's the 64-bit. In the lower left corner, you'll see the downloading animation. Now, go ahead and click on the installer and go through the installation steps, which for the most part, it's just clicking on the next button. Now on the next screen here, to make things simple, I'm going to rename the default installation folder from C program files Node.js to just C/Node.js. It just always bugs me that program files has a space in it, and that's not always good to have in a path when you're working with the command line a lot. Alright guys, so just continue with the installation, and this other screen might show up. Just click OK on that. Okay, so I'm going to speed up this installation process because it takes a while. But once it's finished, we need to do one more important step. So go ahead and go to your start menu and just start typing environment variables. So now here, click on the open button to open environment variables editor. And here, click on the environment variables button. Now in the second box below here, find the variable name that says path. So now click on path and click on the edit button. Here on this screen, go ahead and click the new button and type the location where we installed Node.js previously, which is C/Node.js for me. Now guys, click OK multiple times to close all of these screens. Go to your start button again and start typing cmd and then hit enter. So once you open the command prompt, go ahead and start typing node -- version and hit enter. Now I know that this tutorial is for Node.js 18, but currently on my system I have version 16 installed. And this is because I actually have multiple versions of Node installed on my system on different hard drives. But pretty much this is how you install Node.js on Windows.